Learn genuine methods to earn real money with artificial intelligence. You can genuinely earn a handsome amount of money if you know the right method. I watch many videos on YouTube on how to earn money with AI. Almost every YouTuber shows one method. Go to ChatGPT, get your script, and paste it to Pictory or the NVIDIA AI video generation tool. Do you think it's really that easy? If you look at those videos, they are very boring and unattractive. You don't even like this. But I have a way you can make money with AI, and it will definitely work for you. There are many ways, but in this video, I will show you one legit way to earn money using AI. How will the process be? We create content because this is the most free work you can do with your wishes. So, which type are we going to make? We know animation story videos are very engaging nowadays. Before we start, subscribe to the channel to learn genuine and useful tricks and AI tools. I divided this video into 4 parts. First, we have to create our script. Then we have to get videos, and then we have to make a voiceover. And all these should be of high quality and free to use. Part 1. Go to Gemini AI. It's a copywriting tool, I hope you know. You can also use ChatGPT for this. Just use the prompt I use. Create a short love story with text-to-video prompts and cinematic and aesthetic shots of every scene. Look, it created our story separate from the scene and provided video prompts, which is really cool. Our script is ready. Part 2. We have to create stunning videos that will match our story. Now go to Gemini AI. Copy the first video prompt and paste it here. You can choose your aspect ratio, duration, or even motion. Also, you can change camera movement and add effects. Now let's submit. Look at how attractive the scene was for us. Now copy the second prompt and again paste it here. And submit. You have to repeat it and complete the video parts. Let me complete it. Okay, all our scenes have been created. Part 3. Now we need to create a professional voiceover for our story. There are many text-to-voice AI tools you can use, but I use free AI software to create voices. But here we see the script is in a separate part as scenes, so now we need it in one paragraph, so we can copy it easily. Now I say it like that. Please give me now the only story you provided me without text-to-video prompts. It means I can create a voice over it. Look, it gives me the story. Now copy it and come to the text-to-speech AI tool. Now I paste the script here and add the speaker. You can find many voices for free. I chose this one, which is a female voice. Now here you can adjust the voice tone and create a more attractive voice. Okay, our voice is completed. We have everything we need to create our video. Part 4. Now go to any video editing software and combine it all. I hope you can do this, so I skipped it. Now I will show the final output.
Rain lashed against the bookstore window. Amy, bookish and curious, drifted between shelves, fingers trailing titles. A gentle tap on her shoulder. Turning, she found Ben, warm eyes and a shy smile.
This video is really attractive and engaging. I can make it more outstanding. I just taught you the way. Now create your animation story videos and upload them to YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to earn money. It will work for sure if you seriously do it. And subscribe to the channel to grow yourself with AI revolution.